spring is in the air. So today's video, I will be showing you how I made these one of the kind Easter egg. And I call this one my diamond egg. And I also will be decorating my table for Easter with my Easter eggs. So for this project, only thing you need is your glue gun and some diamonds stones that I got from Hobby Lobby. And you just place them any order you want until you cover the whole entire egg. And that's all to it. Okay, so our next project, we're gonna do another egg. And this one, only thing you need for it is just some red paint and some rhinestones that you can purchase from the dollar store. And that's all you need. And of course, your eggs. And I didn't tell you the eggs came from Dollar Tree also. And I had got my paint from Walmart's. And I'm so sorry about the dogs in the background. They upset about something. I'm sitting out on my patio. It's such a beautiful day. And but anyway, I'm gonna paint my egg twice. I'm gonna let it dry the first time, then I'm gonna paint it again to cover it. Okay, so my egg has dried. So I will be using, this is a button that I have had for a long time, and I think it will go good with my decoration. And I'm also using some of these little scripts of diamonds. I got this from the Dollar Tree. And I'm using some of the rhinestones also to decorate this. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and also, you need your glue gun again. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, so our next egg, and by the way, I did get these eggs from the Dollar Tree. And they come in 6 in a pack for the large ones, and for the small one, I think it's 10 in a pack, 10 or 8. But I chose to get the big ones. Okay. So I'm gonna use these little diamond scripts here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these out. Okay, so on this one, you just continue going around and around until you have completed the whole egg. And this is what it's gonna look like when you finish with it. Okay, so our next project is kind of similar to the last one we did, but on this one, I used gold instead of using the silver. And it's the same process. You're just using different wraps. And just use your glue gun and just continue till you complete the whole egg. This one is simply beautiful. Tell me what you think. Okay, now this one, I'm using interchangeable wrap. I'm using about 4 different types, and it just give it that deep contrast, and I just love it. I love this one about the best of all the eggs. So y'all try these at home. I really enjoy doing these, and they are just a collection that you can have just year after year. And I will be making more of them. Okay, so that's all of my collection. So tell me what you think. Okay, so now I'm going to decorate my table for Easter. First, I placed my gold tablecloth along with a white tablecloth on top. Next, I'm placing my burlap runner to make it interesting. Then come behind it with a white runner. Then I placed a gold platter along with 2 candlesticks. Then I added 2 more candlesticks with my silver egg. Here I filled my vase up with water to make my flower look more realistic. And I went on and cut them down to size. Seemed like I lost one of my videos, but after I cut them, I placed them in the vase. Okay, so next I am decorating my Easter basket for my eggs. And I'm using a silk pillowcase that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And I didn't want to, this is just for temporary and it is not going to stay. So I didn't glue it down. I'm just going to go ahead and fix it that I can be able to place my eggs in it. Okay, so next I'm using another silk pillowcase to give it some height. And then next I will be placing my Easter eggs in my basket. Okay, so next I am going to place my place setting in place. And I'm using white plates with the silver rim. My colors are red, gold, and white. So I think this is real fitting for this place setting. And also I'm using a red napkin that I purchased from the Dollar Tree and a gold rim. Okay, so here I'm showing you my beautiful arrangement that I made with my tulips. I think they just well fitting. Okay, so here I'm showing you my Easter basket. Wow, it is so beautiful. I just simply love it. I think my eggs turned out real good. Again, just tell me what you think. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. I hope y'all enjoy this project as much as I did. I just think everything just turned out just fabulous. I love my Easter eggs, and I just hope everybody have a happy Easter. And always remember that God do love you so much because he gave his only begotten son to die for the world. And I think that is just so awesome. So I know he loves us. Again, happy Easter, everyone. Bye bye.